My name's Jonny Rankin. I'm 28. I live in East Anglia, and this is one of my great passions. I've been riding BMX since I was 14, and I love to ride the jumps on the racetrack. I feel free. Inevitably there's a lot of crashes, which makes for good watching, and pretty much anyone that will ride with me will have a good time. Absolutely love heavy metal. It's the best type of music, it's the only type of music for me. I think heavy metal and BMX are as natural as heavy metal and beer. The other big passion in my life is birds. My favourite bird is turtle dove. I've got a good reminder of turtle dove being my favourite. The turtle dove is a little bit more understated. You know, they've got a great plumage, superb plumage, good sort of piercing eye. It's a privilege to see them at all. I've always enjoyed the countryside, always enjoyed wildlife. Bird watching is something I do every day. And I've got very early memories of one spot not far from my childhood home where we could see turtle doves. It's exciting all year round. For a charity like the RSPB, volunteering is essential, but there might not be too many long-haired, ginger, heavy metal RSPB volunteers. But there's loads of ways you can volunteer. You can sign your name down on online petitions, because your name and my name are combined with everyone else. Suddenly becomes a voice that hopefully MPs and the like can't ignore.